Hey guys, today we're going to talk about nutrition because no matter how hard you train, what you put into your body matter as much as your training session. And listen, I know nutrition can feel overwhelming. There is so much information in there: calories, macros, meal timing, what to eat, what not to eat. It's really easy to overcomplicate it. But here's what I've learned: the simpler you can make it, the easiest it's to stay consistent. Because eating healthy isn't just about knowing what to do, it's about setting yourself up for success. I first recommend starting with the Sunday reset. For me, Sunday is my reset day. It's when I set myself up for the next week so I'm not scrambling every day trying to figure out what to eat. I go grocery shopping. I stock up on everything that I need for the week. I also meal plan. I don't prep every single meal, but I make sure that I have staples ready. When I go grocery shopping, I keep it simple. I focus on whole, nutrient dense food that fuel my body. Here's my go to list. People always ask me, Andrew, what do you eat to stay lean, strong, and not losing your mind eating chicken breast every day? So, let's talk protein because it's not just bro food. It's the foundation of muscle, recovery, and staying full without feeling like on a prison diet. For protein, I like to keep things simple but solid. I go for lean beef, chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese. Those are my daily staples. They are high quality, easy to prep, and hit all the essential amino acids your muscles need to grow. But I also mix it up because listen, if your diet is boring, you're not gonna stick with it. So I throw in fish like salmon or tuna, great for omega-3s, heart health, and bonus, your skin start growing like you just came back from vacation. Turkey, lean source of protein, easy to cook, perfect for meal prep. And when I'm in rush, protein shake. I use whey or isolate. And for my plant-based friends, or if I just want to switch it up, you can go for tofu, lentils, and beans. Don't underestimate it. Mix it with rice and quinoa, and you've got complete protein source right there. If your meals taste good, you'll actually stay on track. If they taste like cardboard, you'll end up eating your kids' mac and cheese at 10 p.m. So, keep it flexible. Sometimes steak, sometimes fish, sometimes pancakes made with protein powder. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress and sustainability. And remember, your body isn't counting how fancy your meal look on Instagram. It's counting protein, calories, sleep, and efforts. You know, carbs get such a bad rap. Every time someone says the word carbs, half the internet goes just like a cursed. But here's the truth: carbs are not your enemy. They're your body's favorite source of energy. You just gotta pick the right ones. By the way, what is your favorite source of carbs? Leave the comment below. For me, my go-to carb sources are rice, oats. Yes, oats, not a cereal. Also, potato, quinoa, and buckwheat. Simple, clean, and they keep my energy levels stable throughout the day. Now, fun fact: lentils are kind of like the overachievers of the carb world. They don't just give you slow, steady energy, they also packed with the protein, fiber, iron, folate, and a whole mix of essential minerals. So, when you're eating lentils, you're not just fooling your body, you're supporting your muscle recovery, digestion, and even heart health. And then we got potatoes, one of the most misunderstood foods ever. People avoid them like they made of sugar and regret. But did you know that potatoes have the highest satiety index of all food? That means they keep you full longer than anything else. So, no, carbs aren't evil. They fuel your brain, your workouts, and your recovery. The trick is balance. Pair them with protein, keep portions in check, and choose real, whole sources. Let's get this straight. Fat doesn't make you fat. Dietary fat isn't the villain. Poor choices and overeating are. Fat fuels your hormones, brain, donuts don't. Blaming fat for getting fat is like blaming your car's gas tank for your speeding ticket. Now that we have cleared it up, let's talk about good fats. My favorite: avocado, raw cheese, nuts, fatty fish, and olives. Now, let's break it down. Plant-based fats. These are your heart heroes. They rich in unsaturated fatty acids that protect your blood vessels, improve cholesterol levels, and keep your brain and skin in top shape. Avocado toast may be a cliche, but it's a healthy cliche. Animal fats. These get a bad reputation, but in moderation, they're just as important. They contain saturated fat and cholesterol, which your body needs to make hormones, absorb fat soluble vitamins, and support your nervous system. Just don't go all food bacon diet, okay? Balance is the name of the game. Here's a quick cheat sheet: plant based fats, nuts, seeds, avocado, olives, olive oil. Animal fats, meat, butter, cheese, cream, egg yolks, fatty fish. And before we wrap up, let's not forget about the fiber. Fiber is like your digestive system personal trainer. You'll find it in fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and berries. It keeps digestion smooth, helps control appetite, and comes loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and boost your immunity. At the end of the day, fitness isn't about chasing perfection. It's about building the habits you can actually stick to. When you keep your meals simple, high in protein, and enjoyable, that's when results last. So, next time you hit the store, don't shop like you're starting a diet. Shop like you're building a lifestyle. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I share science-based tips that actually fit into real life.